We will see kung ano reaction ni Darius, ni Adam, tsaka ni Mickey. For sure, si Darius ang number 1 mag-ano niyan. Wow.
Oh my gosh, Mom! I'm so proud! Open Fam, kwento ng buhay masaya magulo, pero puno ng kulay dito sa Australia. Sama-sama kami sa bawat araw, kaibahagi rin. Sige, Open Fam, tara na makikita.
Wow. So this is it, guys.
With milk.
So ito yung hinihintay natin, guys. So we are here. We are here now in BYD. Surprise. So this is our surprise. So ito yung surprise namin. So yan. BYD. Excited? Lucas, where are we now? Where are we now? BYD.
Also a Paco, Mom! Why?
So, we will see kung ano yung kukunin nating car. What color? White, gray, black, blue? Yan. So, yan. We will see. A lot of cars here, guys.
We had Paco.
A lot of cars.
I
BYD.
wish we had that. I wish we had.
Hi! So ayan, nandito na yung ating bagong car. Welcome BYD. So ayan, thank you Lord sa aming bagong new car. So first namin to guys na electric siya. First time namin magkaroon ng electric car, which is BYD. Ayan. So si Mr. nilagyan niya ng mat. Yeah, new mat. So mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung internal interior ba tawag yun, guys? Dito tayo mainit. So ayan. Thank you Lord. Welcome BYD to the BEMFAM. Ayan. Hide lang natin yung nameplate. Plate number, will hide that one, guys. Ayan, busy si Mr. guys. Naglagay siya ng mat. What map? Mat. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung binili ni Mr. na mat. Meron naman daw siyang free mat. You have free mat?
They gave us 3 months. They gave us 3.
Daddy,
But this is a different one.
yeah, binigyan siya ng free mat. Tapos naglagay siya ulit ng bagong mat. So double mat kasi yun na having kids. Yan. Lagay niya dito. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung BYD. New car ni Mr. guys. Ayan, BYD. Yan. BYD.
Singing at dawn, sand in the fold-out chair, socks drying on the rail, footprints leading to the sea. We chase that open blue where the day turns gold, windows down, hearts light, nothing left.
Iba talaga guys, no, pag bagong car, new car. So we will see, we will pick up the kids, we will see kung ano yung reaction nila guys. Wala, did we bring the BEM?
Yeah.
Oh. So kasi hindi kasi alam ng mga kids na meron tayong BYD. So yan, we will see kung ano yung ano nila guys, reaction. So kanina natin 'to nakuha. The car, it takes 3 months.
No, yeah, about 2.5.
2.5. So na pick up ano dito sa Australia 2.5 months before namin nakuha.
Sorry.
Sige lang di, basta before namin nakuha yung car. So this is it. So happy. So deserve naman ni Mr. to guys. He worked hard. So this is our first time
Electric.
having an electric car. BYD. Ayan. Ang ganda ng screen niya guys.
Also, the speed on the screen, you can't see it, but I can.
Yeah, you
If you
see.
sit here, you can see the speed. Tells you the speed limit. Tells
okay.
you what the speed you're going at. Everything.
So as a first
You see,
time.
look. So you're turning left, you can see the left
Okay.
behind you.
Okay. As a first time the owner of electric car, what is the difference electric car and
They're just quieter.
Quiet.
Smooth.
Smooth?
No complaints at the moment. This one, at the moment, I got no complaints with this one.
Okay.
No complaints.
So maganda talaga guys no pag mayroon tayong mga bagong
Do you hear anything? Just the road, the wheels.
Yeah. Quiet siya. Yeah, because electric. Ano siya guys? Tawag nito, iba yung saya pag you have new car, new phone, like especially car. Ayan. So we will see kung ano reaction ng mga bata guys. We will see. Smell brand BYD. I'm very happy to for my husband. Uy, ginukulod. For my husband guys. What happened this one? So, dito na tayo guys sa sa school ng mga bata. So, we will see kung ano reaction ni Darius, ni Adam, tsaka ni Mickey. For sure, si Darius ang number 1 mag-ano niyan. Hindi nila talaga alam guys na may BYD car na tayo. Alam nila na pumunta tayo sa sa dealer ng BYD, pero hindi nila alam na ngayon yung pick up natin ng car at may bagong car na talaga yun. Kasi sabi namin kanina kay Darius, sabi kasi ni Darius yung eldest ko na, where are you going mommy? You have a date? Yeah, we're having date. Hindi niya alam guys, date with the BYD. See yung reaction nila guys. See, I'm very excited. Ang ganda ng guys no? Smell good. Bagong car. Binyagan natin, di ba? In the Philippines, if we have a car, need to bless.
Yeah. And then people bless, and what happens?
Bless. Best for luck mo daw na, guys.
But many times I see people bless and they have accident.
Malapit na yung nila. We will see. Abangan natin mamaya, later. Ayan na. This is it. They're coming. They don't know that this is their car. I will see yung reaction nila guys. I'm excited.
Oh my gosh, Mom!
Careful!
And you get.
Oh my gosh!
Your shoes, your
Sit down.
shoes.
I'm so proud!
Sit down. Move across, Adam. Adam, move across.
Cross!
Adam, move across.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you.
Thank you.
So you got a new car! You got a new
Seatbelt.
Seat belts.
I like it.
Sabi ko nga guys, di ba? Sabi ko nga.
Oh, you guys shut this in school?
Don't hit the seats. Be careful
Yes,
of your bags,
your shoes.
please. Look after the car.
Wait a guys. So what can you see our car?
Thank you, Mom and Dad. Cool. What?
We have sunroof.
Wait, Mom, what?
Oh.
my God! Can you put your head in there?
Careful here. There's a police na ba always here. Take ka lang.
Is that glass? Can you close
That's
it?
glass.
Can you close it? I like it when it's dark. You haven't. Dad,
One,
how did
the
it come
police
in
is
our phone was a
standing here.
black How did you get it?
Because we have date while ago, yeah?
What?
So what can you see our car?
It's so good. I love it.
How about Dayos?
Oh.
How about
When did you
Adam?
recognize
I recognized when I saw you.
me?
Mom, Dad, I didn't recognize. I thought
Oh my
you were the lost.
I like the surprise.
I thought it was something else.
I like their guys, their reaction. Oh my god, this is our new car. It's so cute, kids. Look after our car, please.
Okay.
What's your reaction, Adam? Huh? Like?
Please, you are greedy.
How?
Because you want to eat everything else but your burger.
So ayan, kasi meron tayong bagong car. So ayan,
There's nuggets if you
Hindi
want.
tayo magluto ngayon, guys. KFC tayo ngayon. Ayan.
I think.
Treat ng aking Mr. guys. Thank you, Lord, for our
Where you going?
BYD. Our
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for giving me KFC. I love this day. I love this BYD.
Thank you to my husband.
Then why is this spicy?
Because spicy.
You want the spicy, right? Mom,
Okay.
spicy one.
KFC tayo, guys.
They drink to eat spicy.
Yeah, eat the spicy. KFC tayo, guys. Yan.
No, or outside.
Burger.
Dad, you want one?
I will take it if I need one.
That
Okay.
one, Mom.
No? Nugget?
Nugget. Why do you give items not spicy?
Sandro.
Hello, guys.
You like the car?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
He's very happy, guys. Ayan, sunroof siya, guys. Ayan, ayan. Oh, here we go, the sunroof. Daddy's birthday. Let Daddy choose. Yan, bumili pala tayo ng cake because tomorrow is my husband's birthday. I'm very excited for my husband's birthday, guys. The kids are excited na.
Filipino.
Damn, yung ano kanina, recently here in sa cake shop, Filipino pala yun. Sabi niya, are you a Filo? Filo? Filipino pala siya, guys. Kaya pala, first time ko lang siya nakita. First impression ko sa kanya, I think she is a Filipina. Kasi here in Australia, meron kasi mga Vietnamese. Kasi yung mga Vietnamese na mga Thailander, pare-pareho lang tayo ba, Filipino. She is a Filipina. Whose birthday? Someone asked, whose birthday? My husband! Tomorrow pa yung birthday ni Mr. guys. Puhon. How young are you?
50.
50, but you look like
60.
30. Yan guys, 50 ba yan guys? Nay. 40. Wapo ka na mga husband guys. Look like 40 pa yan guys. How many girlfriends pa na na ma-victim? Many girls pa guys. Ayan, today is my husband's birthday. So, hindi niya alam guys na kakantahan natin siya ng birthday mamaya pagdating ng mga bata galing sa school. Kasi dapat kanina yun, kaya lang mamaya na. Kunin mo natin yung mga bata, pick up natin. Si Mr. yung magta-drive. So, sasama natin si Mr. Tapos, we will see kung ano yung reaction ni Mr. kasi. Ayan, we will see guys. So, ayan. Later, okay? Update mamaya. Mahina na yung busis natin. So, pick up natin yung mga bata. Yun nga sabi ko. Surprise natin mamaya si Mr. ha. Ayan. I don't tell him to go. He's there man in Batchan.
Just making sure I have the sign.
No?
It's the protector.
De. Ask the BYD. Bitry natin si BYD. Naisip pa. Bitry natin si BYD guys. If BYD open the sunroof. BYD. Open the sunroof.
Say, hey, BYD. Close the blind.
All right.
You don't know the name.
Not sunroof.
You can't do it while.
Much later.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy. Go mo there, guys. Go mo there. Go mo, hold that, Daddy. Go, Mickey. Happy birthday to you. Just wait, stop. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Later,
Pack
guys,
the
go,
esky
guys.
by
Happy
the
birthday,
door.
Daddy. No, push,
Shoes
Daddy.
on.
Push. Hug si Daddy.
Kids in the
Hug si Daddy.
folded once, then twice. Salt air waiting down the coast. Grandma hums along the road. Dad taps time on the wheel. Little hands with mango skin, sticky grin and suntan knees. We chase that open blue where the day turns gold. Windows down, hearts light, nothing left.
Pizza. A baby. Can you open to Mama? Thank you. Too much? Maybe you did that. It's okay because next day.
Mommy, can I have the pasta? Mom,
The
can I
next
have
day,
the
man, that
chicken?
one.
Mom, can I have
It's gonna cook.
pasta? I want
Jollibee pasta?
Uncle, can I have? Uncle, can I have it?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marek. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Are you one? Are you
Yeah. Lucas.
Are you
No. Stolat, nie zija nam. Jeszcze raz, nie zija nam. 100 lat, yeah! Happy birthday!
I just burnt.
Yay!
Daddy, Uncle, I can.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Cheers!
Happy birthday to my husband, guys! Cheers!
Daddy is 50.
Happy birthday and
Happy 50 years old. Yeah.
how's the feeling being 50?
Yeah.
Old? Nah, 50 is still young.
No, it's not. What? Daddy.
Daddy, one at a time. Jaja first.
Happy birthday.
Jaja and Bacha.
Żeby loto wygrał.
Stop, stop.
Kto wybudował elegancki? No nie wiadomo.
You have already.
I wszystkiego co sobie wybrał.
Stop so dayos.
Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Daddy.
Who's next?
Hey, I was next. Hey,
Thank you.
I don't have mine.
Why?
I don't. Oh, here's Michaela's birthday present.
Thank
You should give.
I already have one there.
All right.
This is for Michaela.
you. Thank you, man.
There's a lot of presents.
Not yet.
Okay.
Uncle there.
Kastanya ni uji dawa.
Happy birthday. Happiness, wealth, and health.
Yay! I love Happy birthday. Hey, you guys actually kiss each other yet?
Huh?
You only said in the cheek.
Mickey, happy birthday, Daddy!
Come on!
You the daughter.
Shy.
Shy.
You got this, Michaela.
Why are you like shy, shy?
You should kiss Daddy.
Oh,
Happy birthday!
thank you.
Trail, footprints leading to the sea. We chase that open blue where the day turns gold. Windows down, hearts light, nothing left to hold. Caravan life diaries, caravan life diaries. We roll, we laugh, we go.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? No.
Wait.
We done naman, son. We done na ng happy birthday sing.
Oh.
We done na. Mag-blow na si Daddy. Wish, di wish. Oh, done na. The happy birthday, ay. Wish.
Now we what is drink?
Gentle.
Slowly up.
Can I take you now? Where's the soccer?
Absorb some water.
Alright, who's first?
Me,
Give me a
Dad.
plate.
Well, I said this. Come on.
Yeah, one only.
Make sure
że zjedzą ci takie kawałki.